Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. So today we are going to learn about monomials, binomials, trinomials, polynomials. Okay, so let us see what is monomial, binomial, trinomial, etc. Okay, so what is monomial? An expression with one term is called a monomial. Mono means one, bi means two, tri means three, and more than three, that is polynomial. Okay, the quadratic etc. is there, but we will generally name it as polynomial. So here one term, if it is there is only one term, it is called monomial. Example 7xy. 7xy is a monomial. Why? Because 7xy, these all are combined together they are multiplied each other. But there is no plus or minus, addition, subtraction, nothing is there. So if any addition, subtraction, plus or minus is there, then it will be changed into other terms. So here it is only one term, 7xy. This is a monomial. Next one, here minus negative sign is there, but there is no other term. Means no other letters or numbers or variables are added to this one or subtracted to this one. So this is considered as one term. So minus 5m is also a monomial. Here 3z squared, 3z squared. 3z squared is also a monomial. Here two alphabets are there. Two variables are here. Okay. So two variables are here, but then also it is considered as one term. Here one variable is there, but it is squared. Z squared. Then that also is considered as monomial only. Here, only if we write only 4, that also is a monomial. Single number, single term, whatever it may be, they are called monomials. Now, what is binomial? An expression with two unlike terms is called binomial. Two unlike terms. Yeah, let's listen to that one. Here, let us see the example. X plus y. There are two variables. X and y are two variables. So, x plus y, this is one term and this is the other term. Two terms are here. So, this is a binomial. Here, m is a variable, 5 is a numerical coefficient, number. So, m minus 5 is a binomial. Now, here, two variables are there, m and n, mn. This is one term plus 4m, one numerical coefficient and a variable is there. So, mn plus 4n, two terms are there. So, this is called a binomial. A squared minus b squared. This is one variable, this is other variable. This is also a binomial. If we write this as a squared minus b squared plus 3a squared. So, here we can see one term, two term, three terms. But this term is not different. This is a squared means 1a squared. And this is 3a squared. In both these terms, first and last one, the coefficient, the variable is a squared. When both are a squared, variables are same with same power, then they are called the like terms. That means if we write xy, 3xy, 5xy, these all are like terms. Like term means their variables will be same. Numerical coefficient is not considered, that is ignored. Only the variables should be same. If we write like this, that x squared, 3x squared, 5x squared, these are also called like terms. So, if the that is what we have told you here, that in an expression with two unlike terms, no like terms. Unlike terms is called binomial. So, here these both are like terms. So, this and this are not considered different. They are of same. So, this is a binomial then also. Because this is a like term, this is a like term. These both terms are considered as one. So, one term is this, the second term is this. So, this is a binomial. Only two terms are there. 1a squared plus 3a squared, single new term, and the b squared is a second term. So, this is a binomial. If we write 10pq, so there are two variables are here. Two variables are here, but there is no other term. This is only single term. So, this is a monomial. It's a monomial. And if it is considered a plus b plus 5. A is another term, b is another term, 5 is another term. So, three terms are here. So, this can't be a binomial. This also can't be a binomial. This is a monomial and this one is not a binomial, then what it will be? Let us see further. An expression which contains three terms is called trinomial. With three terms, then it's called a trinomial. So this one is a trinomial because 1, 2, 3 terms are there. So it's a trinomial. 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. Look, this is 3x squared. Its variable is x squared. And this is 5x and this is 2. So this is a trinomial. Here the variable is x squared. X squared means x into x, that is x squared. And this one is x, this is entirely different. A 3x squared is another term, x is another term. So this is numerical coefficient. So only number. So these three terms are different. We can't consider this as 3x squared, it's also x, it's also x. So we have to consider same. No. This is 3x squared means x into x. X 2 times x is multiplied twice. And here x is once only. So these are both are different. So this is one term, this is the second term, this is the third term. So it's called a trinomial. Let us consider this one. M plus n plus 10. This is also a trinomial because three terms are there. So it's a trinomial. Now let us consider this one. AB plus A plus B. If it is still here, only up to here, then it is a trinomial. But we have plus 5 also is there. So this will not be considered as trinomial. This will be a polynomial because more than 3 terms are there. So it's a polynomial. This one x plus y plus 5x. Here let us see x. X means 1x and 5x. Both are like terms. So these both are like terms. So that's considered to be one term and this is one term. So two terms are there. So this will be a binomial. So I think you got an idea what is monomial, binomial, trinomial. So let us see some examples. Now let us see some examples. Then it will be more clear to you. Okay. So this one 4y minus 7z. 4y is one term. 7z is second term. So how many terms are there? Two terms. So what will it be? It's a binomial. Let us write monomial as m, binomial as b, trinomial as t and polynomial as p. So here two terms are there. So what it will be? Binomial. Now here how many terms are there? Only one term. So this will be monomial. So next one, x plus y minus xy. How many terms are there? X one term, y the second term, xy. These both are multiplied here. So this is a entirely different term only. So three terms are there. So how many terms are there? Three terms. So what it will be? Trinomial. Okay, then three terms are there. 1, 2, 3, trinomial. Now let us consider this one. Here what is what? There is only one single number, 100. 100, that is single term. So single term means one term, that is called monomial. Now let us consider this one, AB minus A minus B. So AB is one term. This is only A, not B there. And here only B, not A is there. So there are three terms are here. So what will it be? Three terms, that means trinomial. 5 minus 3t. 5 is one term. 3t is the second term. So two terms are here. So two terms means that what will be? Binomial. Now here let us see 4p squared q. And this one 4pq squared. Here p squared and here it is p. And it is q and here it is q squared. That means both are different terms. So only the numerical coefficient is same, but the variables are different. So this is, since two terms are here, it will be binomial. Let us consider this one 7mn. 7mn means single term. Single term means monomial. Now how many terms are there? Z squared minus 3z plus 8. Z squared plus 3z plus 8. Three terms are there. Z squared is not z. Z is not c squared. Both are entirely different. So 1, 2, 3. Three terms are there. Though it's called a trinomial. How many terms are here? A squared plus b squared. Two terms are here. Two terms are here means that is binomial. And how much here also? Z squared plus z. Z squared means z into z. Z means only one Z. So this means two terms are there. So this is called a binomial. 1 plus x squared. 1 is a numerical coefficient, x is a variable. This one is x into x, two variables. That means three terms are there. So it's called a trinomial. So I hope you understand the concept of binomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomials. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and be with us for more and more videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye.